afternoon, Republic Tower. Arrow 56210, vicinity of Cap Tree with hotel, inbound full stop.
Arrow 56210, Republic Tower, right base, center shoreline, runway 1, please.
Right base, center shoreline for 1210. Thank you, sir.
Nice, nice. That was a very strong turbulence, and it handled really well.
Affirmative. You're number 1, clear to land. Traffic's on a 3-mile final system.
We're gonna tell base now and clear to land runway 1, 3575.
Okay, at the shoreline, you know what? Try left turn at here. Try a left turn. Yes. Bank the helicopter by a little bit left cyclic. Nice. Good job. Good job. You want to put the nose lower, just lower for 1 inch from here.
Feet right base.
For 1 inch. Excellent. That's perfect. That's perfect. Lower the nose. Centralize it. You make that input, you centralize it. Okay? You make the control input on the cyclic, you centralize it. A little bit forward and put it back. Put it back. Nice. Very good. Forward, put it back to center. A little forward. Look at the attitude. We're always watching the attitude change, right? You want to stabilize the attitude.
Good afternoon.
Like this. I want you to maintain this attitude.
Clear visual 1,
Okay, just maintain this attitude. You see where the horizon is? Yeah, pretty much the top of the compass, right? I want you to maintain this attitude, okay?
Straight into the field.
You have control.
Cherokee 577, turn base, runway 1, clear, touch and go.
Turning base, way 577, runway 1, touch and go.
A little bit forward, a little bit forward. And nice. Good job. That's a nice pitch. So over the water here, the air becomes a little smoother and the control will be easier. Okay. Still, you want to maintain that attitude. It's always about the attitude. Concentrate on where the horizon is, where the compass is. You want to maintain this attitude.
Bravo 3, ground point 6.
You see it? Yep. Horizon's right here. You want to maintain that, okay? Good job.
And one little pop right there, downwind.
Excellent.
Building Eagle 1 Delta Papa, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Okay, one little pop, extend downwind, you'll call my base.
210 traffic, 12 o'clock, about 2 miles, 1,000 feet, orbiting a helicopter.
Say again that position for 210 on the helicopter.
210's forward left, maybe 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock in a mile, just south of the shoreline, 1,000 feet.
Looking, no joy, 210.
The helicopter got main side, maintain the visual.
Zero Alpha, going to echo.
This is 0 Juliet Alpha, turn left to Alpha, ground point 6.
Alpha, ground point 6, 0 Alpha.
Alright.
CBM 5 November Delta, runway 1, clear to land. Following a Cherokee on a mile final.
Clear to land, following up, November Delta.
Golden Eagle 1 Delta Papa.
Good job,
on a
Steven.
CBM, inner shoreline, 1,500 feet.
Control here is much better.
Okay, we're looking
yeah, it's a little smoother over here.
Absolutely. Great.
Rumble Tower,
The air is less turbulent.
over the northward
Yeah,
sky.
right?
Inbound landing with information hotel.
Nice.
Cessna 130 Juliet Alpha, Republic Tower, right downwind, runway 1.
Very good.
Runway 1.
You want to try the collective and pedals?
What?
You want to try the collective and pedals?
Delta Papa, follow the TBM,
Okay.
runway
Alright,
1,
you have
clear
the
to land.
collective and pedals.
Follow the TBM.
I have the collective. I got my...
You have the pedals? You have the pedals.
I have the pedals.
You have the pedals. Still, concentrate on the attitude. This is the majority, okay? Don't worry about those
November
things.
Delta, this spacing
Concentrate on the
over the
attitude,
numbers
okay?
now.
Okay. You want to raise just a little bit collective. As we're descending right now, you want to raise a little bit collective, a little bit more lift. Good. Excellent. Concentrate on your attitude. No matter what you're doing, concentrate on your attitude.
210, look for a Golden Eagle at your 1 to 2 o'clock, mile and a half, starting a right base turn, 1,200.
Let's make a right turn, going back. Smaller. Good. Very good. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Nose. Nice. Yeah, fix those things.
Afternoon Republic Tower, just speed 922s with you on the visual
All right.
runway 1.
I want you to put the nose lower for
Public Tower,
1 inch
straight in
from
runway
here
1,
and hold.
descent at your discretion.
Good, just hold this attitude.
Straight in
And
runway 1,
you need
altitude
to
discretion, just
raise
speed
a little bit
922,
collective.
thanks.
Don't let the nose come up. You see the nose wants to pitch up, right?
Yeah.
Helicopter always wants to do something you don't like. You need to hold it.
Okay.
Okay? Hold the nose lower for 1 inch from here. Yeah, hold this attitude. And you need to add a little bit of power. Don't let the nose come up. Raise the collective, but don't let the nose come up. Very good. A little bit left pedal, tiny bit. A little bit left pedal. Nose. Always watch the attitude. And the helicopter just try to just do those crazy
Tower
things,
210,
right?
make a left
Keep it low,
360
keep
for
it low.
spacing.
Excellent.
1 left 360, 210.
A little bit more.
Tower 798, Lima Alpha ready and problem.
Cessna 798 Lima Alpha Republic Tower, hold short
Make a
runway 1.
slight right turn, slight left turn.
Republic Tower, this is Lama Katana, 4160 Sierra over Captree Bridge at 1,500 feet with information hotel.
Put the nose low.
Cessna Katana 4160 Sierra Republic Tower, right base, inner shoreline, runway 1.
4160 Sierra, right base, inner shoreline, runway 1.
Republic Tower helicopter 2614 Delta, 6 miles southeast, inbound for Gulf 6.
Helicopter 2614 Delta Republic Tower, make approach straight into the field.
Straight into the field, 14 Delta.
38577.
Can you see the airport?
Downwind.
3577,
A little bit to
extend
the
down,
left.
I'll call your base.
Okay, yeah.
About 20 degrees to the left, that's the runway.
3577.
There you go.
Roger,
Good,
Cherokee
good.
577, extend
Raise
down.
a little bit power, raise your collective.
Base 38577.
Nice.
CBM 5 November Delta,
And
left or right on runway
a
14,
little bit after
and down
cycling, we're
point 6.
diving down.
That's
Just a
it.
little bit. Good. Hold your attitude
Arrow
like that.
210, when you complete the 360, for a Falcon Jet, 2,000
Nice.
seat, mid-bay on final.
I'm sorry, say again, that South Jet at 2,000
Very
feet.
good.
Tower 210, traffic west of your position on final, 2,000 feet, a Falcon Jet. When you complete the 360, you'll be pointed right at him.
210, looking.
Very good. Use a
Landing
little
on
bit
Delta Papa,
after
stay parking.
cycling. Use a little bit after cycling.
Hey, firm
After
left
cycling,
on 14 left Bravo,
Out to the
follow the
left.
TBM.
Have control.
Stay with you.
It's all right.
Have control.
Hey,
Have
yeah.
control.
Have a good day.
So we were
Says
tilting to
Nate
the
Lima
left,
Alpha, make
right?
left traffic,
Try
runway
to
1,
use the
clear
after
for takeoff.
cycling.
Ready for takeoff?
Okay, you have controls?
I have
Jet
controls.
speed 922, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear land runway 1, just
A
speed
little bit up.
922.
A little bit up. All right, not
Tower
too much.
210, I'm sorry, don't have the traffic.
Tower 210 is at your 11 to 12 o'clock, about a mile, 1,500 feet on final Falcon Jet.
Tally ho, we got him now, 210.
Tower 210, follow the Falcon, caution wake turbulence.
Follow the Falcon, 210, thank you.
All right, good. Very
Bravo
good.
Tower, 4160 Sierra, entering into shoreline, we're going to need touch and go.
Katana 600, roger, on request.
Very nice. You want to raise the collective for about an inch? Yes. Beautiful.
Good.
And maintain your attitude. Still concentrate on the cycling.
Okay.
Good. A little bit to the left. Just a little bit. Go towards the airport. All right. Easy.
Got it.
Wind 300 at 3.
Okay. You have the cycling?
I have the cycle.
Cessna
Yeah,
8 Lima,
controls.
correction, Cherokee 577. Number 3, traffic, Arrow, inner shoreline on final, 800 feet.
Traffic in second speed, 577.
Cherokee 577, follow the Arrow, you're number 3.
Following the arrow with number 38577.
Nice. You got this. Good job, man.
Helicopter 14 Delta remain east of runway 1 at all times, Golf 6, clear to land, wind 33010.
Clear to land Gulf 6 will remain east of runway 1 all time. 14 Delta. Right, lights out, tax match, stages, string, QFK, heartbeat,
Arrow 210, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 1, 210. Thank you, sir.
Cherokee 577, runway 1, clear to land.
You gonna work the
577, runway 1, clear to land.
collective right now?
Nope. Why?
The what?
I'm not getting anything. You're on the controls.
Oh, okay.
You want to raise the collective a little bit.
Republic
Good.
Tower,
Bonanza 1436 Alpha, we're 9 East, landing Golf.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
Bonanza 1436 Alpha, Republic Tower, midfield right downwind, runway 1.
Midfield right downwind for 136 Alpha.
Jet speed 922, say parking.
Going to shelter for jet speed 922.
Jet speed 922, turn right when able, into shelter this frequency.
All right, right turn with you to the ramp for jet speed 922, thanks.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, number 4 traffic, Diamond Katana, right base, inner shoreline 1,000 feet.
Up controls from here. You can stay with me. You can stay with me on the controls. So I need to do two things. I need to slow down.
Yep.
I need to descend, right? Okay, slow down. I just bring the nose up. Not too much, just by 2 inches. So this altitude is lower, is higher than our normal flight altitude. The nose is higher, right? We're gonna slow down by flying this altitude.
Okay. Map has the traffic
and then, once I am on the approach angle, I'll start descending by lowering the collective.
Katana 600, runway 1, clear touch and go, left traffic.
Right here,
600,
start descending slightly, lower the collective slightly, and a bit right pedal as I lower the collective. Now our lift has been reduced, we're descending. And as we slow down, I actually need more power to fly the helicopter or to hover the helicopter than fly it. So I have to start raising my collective.
Okay.
As we're getting slow down, I need to raise the collective little by little.
Tower 210, turn left on Alpha, taxi to Atlantic via Bravo, monitor ground point 6.
Wilco 210, thanks very much. Have a good day, sir.
See ya.
See, we raise the collective quite a lot in approach, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're here, up the tail, make the pedal turn, and get out. Okay, it's clear.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, runway 1, clear touch and go.
Oh, well.
Pay attention, go 8 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, traffic off your right side, left base, 1,200
Okay,
Cessna.
can you pull out the checklist for me?
inside, 0 Juliet Alpha, thank you.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, follow that Cessna.
Following the Cessna, 0 Juliet Alpha.
Shut up the engine. Collective down, RPM 75%,
Yep.
down, cyclic pedal neutral, friction on, done, CHT job, throttle closed. So we give it about 1 minute to allow the engine to cool down.
Via Bravo, monitor ground point 6.
Monitor point 6, 38577.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, runway 1, clear to land, wind 290 at 7.
Runway 1, clear to land, 0 Juliet Alpha, thank you. Republic Tower, Cirrus 299, Alpha Tango, Twin Sam 3400 with hotel inbound.
Cirrus 299er, Alpha Tango,
Alright, that's a minute.
Tower. Right
Throttle closed, close the throttle, and clutch switch disengage, disengage clutch.
Alright, clutch.
Right base, inner shoreline,
then
1,600 or above.
Wait 30 seconds.
Alpha Tango.
Wait 30 seconds, just waiting.
Bonanza 36 Alpha, right downwind for 1.
Bonanza 36 Alpha. Now number 3, traffic, 2 mile final, 1,000 feet Cessna.
Roger, 36 Alpha.
Okay, 30 seconds, mixture off. Would you pull out the mixture?
Pull on it.
Yeah, remove the guard, yes, pull it off.
And then push down and pull.
Pull up. You need to push the bottom and then pull, yes. It's a little tight, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Get out.
Bonanza 36 Alpha,
pretty tight.
cast off your right side, runway 1, little.
Put the cap back on.
Middle is 36 Alpha.
So that's a mixture for the gas?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so it's slowly cutting gas off, or?
It's controlling how much gas is going into the carburetor.
Okay.
When you pull, it lean the gas and air mixture.
Okay. Oh, so like on a motorcycle with the carb valve?
The choke, right?
choke,
You have the choke, right? A little, yeah, kind of like that, kind of like that.
Okay.
Runway 1, clear to land.
But the choke is to make the mixture richer
Yeah.
for you to start the engine in the cold weather, right?
Mm-hmm.
Republic Tower,
Okay.
152 Delta Charlie.
Wait 30 seconds, apply rotor brake is on.
Inbound.